Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting with Bella. In today's video, I'll be doing a baby shower centerpiece, and the theme for this centerpiece is going to be Panda. I'm going to use this cute little panda, and I'm going to do two centerpieces. I'm going to use the same cutouts. One is going to be for a boy and one is going to be for a girl. So I'm going to show you guys the cutouts. I have this onesie here, and I wrote the name of the baby, and then I added these 3 little dots on the bottom, and I used double-sided dots, some small ones like these, to glue these 3 little black dots here. And I added this bow tie, and with a little rhinestone in the middle. And then on the back, I'm using double-sided dots to glue the onesie on top of this other one. So I'm gonna do that there. And then I'm using these 2 circles that I made, and this one says welcome baby boy, and this one it's a boy. And I'm gonna use these little bamboos. So let me show you guys how they look after they're glued. They're gonna look like this. So this is for it's a girl, and then for these I glued them on with glue, and for the it's a girl I added the double-sided dots. I don't know if you guys could tell the difference. And then I'm using this cute little panda, and then a bottle, and I also used the double-sided dots to glue the panda to give it a 3D look. So that's for the boy, and then for the girl I already have everything glued. So those 2 things, and then the panda, the baby bottle, and then the onesie. And then for this one I used the small double-sided dots to glue the onesie. You guys can tell a lot with this one, since they're small. You guys can't really tell that it's like a 3D thing. And I also added the little dots here, and in that you could actually see how they're popping out. So I have that. So I wanted to show you guys the 2 different double-sided dots that I'm using. These small ones, and then these bigger ones. And then so the onesie won't look too plain, I'm gonna put this little bow on top, and I'm gonna use a double-sided dot to glue that. So I'm gonna do that right now to show you guys. You guys could use glue if you guys like. I just want this to pop out a little bit, again, to give it like a 3D look. There you go. And I added the black rhinestone in the middle. And then for the base, I'm gonna use these 2. This is gonna be for the girl, and I'm gonna use this one for the boy. And I already have some floral foam in here, and I'm gonna use this one for this one right here. And I'm gonna use some popsicle sticks, and then shredded paper. This is gonna be for the boy, and this one for the girl. And then I'm gonna use a glue gun, and that's it. So those are the materials that I'm gonna use for the centerpiece. So I'm gonna start with the girl. Okay guys, so I'm all done with the centerpieces, and here is the girl and then the boy. And for this one I was a little bit disappointed that I didn't have any blue shredder paper. I think that one would have looked better than the green one, just because I think it blends in a little bit with the bamboo sticks here, and I feel like it's kind of empty here on the base. I'll probably add something there, and I'll post pictures on my Instagram. But here are the centerpieces. I hope that you guys like these ideas. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. And that's it for today, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!